Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very exciting one because as you can tell, I feel like this hair color is my new favorite hair color. It's like a reddish brown hair color, but today's video is more of like a natural texture. I feel is really cool because then it's just more natural for me. Like it mimics my natural hair texture if I was to blow it out. And the thing about it is, to get this style you would have to blow out a curly hair, but it already comes like this because it's a kinky straight wig. This wig is provided by Unice hair, and their packaging came with a satin bag, lashes, wig cap, a scarf. I have been loving these scarves lately, and then some clips. I did not use these clips today, but these are white ones. I have never received white ones before. My hair is looking crazy. It's actually early in the morning, so I want to put on this wig because it's giving natural hair. And if you guys know, I love putting on like a reddish brown wig. Wait, I'm missing my earrings. Hold on. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush my hair back because this is unacceptable. I used the Ebin Mega Hold. I don't know, I feel like this just helps for it to actually stay down, because when I use jam and all this other shit, and jam is not even good for us because it has carcinogen. And also I scanned the bed head spray, this one, hold on, because I use Yuka, Y-U-K-A, to like see ingredients and stuff in these things. This is really bad. It's like, it's on the bad side, like 0 out of 100. And it's so crazy because it's like, bro, why are you using stupid ass ingredients to make this stuff to make us sick? So I mean, I use it up. I'm gonna use it up until it's done because it's almost done, but it's like, dang. So you guys should really download that. So when you're going to buy your hair products, scan them. And I mean, sometimes it says like the information is unavailable. You use your own discretion when it says that, but if it says bad, don't buy it. So I'm just brushing my edges back because when I don't do that, my freaking edges be coming out and I don't have time. I'm gonna put on a brown wig cap. Sometimes I use the light one, but when I use the light one, I need to put foundation on top of it, and I don't feel like doing that today. I already plucked my wig, and if you guys want me to pluck your wig, I'll charge like $75 for a closure and $95 or $90 for a frontal. It takes a little while, but I can like bleach and pluck your wig so it can look natural. This wig, I plucked it just a little bit. I did not bleach the knots though. I didn't have time for that. And it's colored here, so yeah. This is how it looks. It's giving blowout, and I feel like I normally do this with like curly hair, but I wouldn't have to because it already came like a straight kinky wig. And this wig is from Unice hair, so it literally looks like all my other reddish brown wigs, but it's just like a natural texture, which is super pretty. And I think I'm gonna trim it just a little bit to do like a big curl look. You guys, so you already see how the wig looks. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my skin by wiping my forehead area with some 91% alcohol. This is normal, this is regular. I do this all the time because I need this thing to stay, and I think I'm gonna leave it on for tomorrow as well so I can take some pictures tomorrow. And I just wait for it to dry down so then the skin has no oils or anything. All right, I'm just gonna put it on my head. I did pluck the wig a little bit too hard on the freaking right side, but the lace fits great. This is how I like my lace to fit, so it could fit all the way down past my sideburns so it could look as natural as possible. Oh, I should take a before picture of me just looking crusty as fuck.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you Guess I'm hurting, guess I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. This can't be our first time. We might be for the stage version of mine. Looking for some things that I've been never. You gotta share somebody but love for the blue fry. You might this one for this can't be our first time. Looking for some things that I've been never can find. Why is this so funny? Oh yeah, just say alright. Oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop it. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. You go bow for the result though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, it's out though. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when them kills Obama. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My ayo, don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.
Yeah. I find why I gave you what you needed. I know what you like. I believe for me. Time is up to guess. I try to need you. wonder why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say I need the mess of my mind, and I need to make it free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be lie. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, you could leave. I'm struggling your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Get me what needs to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. After the morning, my mind was done from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Yeah. Only you feel on my body.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and deep. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, lot. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. They used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get up, go. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we a chill with no well and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body at the Titanic. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Dance and tease, man. Now you want to run like a nothing. I think dance for me and have my hips stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Because who went? Time she said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your horse I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have murder, you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titanic. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man. Fine, oh, bucket it, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, check it, push it ready, yeah, imade, double dose, le kilo fe, why now, my lady, tell me what's in your body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want to give me control, even want to get out, I'ma make up my eye, I'ma need that can you, I go my eye, I'ma need that can you, do maybe, but I'm money days, do maybe don't go carry belly, do maybe, like one of me see, yeah, come see, yeah, baby.
Guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know that you did enjoy this video. I really love this texture. I feel like this texture is giving more, like, you can see it's giving more of a natural look instead of it being like a shiny, smooth type of texture, and it's very full as well. I did put a clip in the back. You can't even tell, like, it just looks natural. It's like an effortless look. I feel like this will go really pretty with a cream dress or a white dress. And yeah, so this is basically the end of the video. Make sure you guys visit Unice hair. I will have the links down below like I told you in the start, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.